Do you want some seed? Do you want some food? Do you want some food? Ricky? Lucy? You don't like those ones? Okay. Luce, how about you? Lucy? Hey. Lucy. You want one? Ricky's gonna eat all the food. Oh, no. You're not gonna look at me? Lucy. Rick. Hey. Oh, are these not your... Oh, you don't like the black ones. Is my tablet scaring you? Ricky. Whoops, I keep dropping seed. Lucy, good morning. Lucy. Lucy, look what I have. Oh, you can't see Lucy. Oh, she's not going to eat out of my hand today. Oh, but look at Ricky. He's a handsome little boy. And there's Lucy. And there's Lucy. She's made a lot of progress. A lot of progress. Oh, she still doesn't really like to be touched. Hey, Ricky. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I bet Ricky could go for another seed. Yes, he could. Hey, Rick. Lucy. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Oh, yeah. Oh. Good girl, Lucy. Well done.
We need to get some babies.
Okay, hang on. Say bye-bye.